Another thing that you want to do when you are trying to be successful on YouTube is build channel authority. And YouTube and Google both are really big at looking at this, and this will help improve your ranking also. Channel authority is very important, and you get channel authority by more people linking to your videos, more people sharing your videos, and there's actually a few of these companies around the web that actually share YouTube videos, and this link juice, so to speak, will help you improve channel authority. And one of these companies is called greatapps.com, and I'll have it on the screen for you. I recommend that you share every video that you do with this company, and they have a technique where they can actually pull all of your videos at one time, so you don't have to share them every day or when you upload a new video. They can fix it where it automatically comes in. The guy over that runs that company is awesome, and you will really enjoy getting to know him personally. And that's another thing that you want to do, is make connections with different people in your field or the niche you're in. That will help build channel authority also. You'll have different emails you can send out to people and contact lists. That way certain people will be the only people that get those particular emails, and that's another way that you can build some channel authority. Just try to focus primarily on the shares and getting people to like and share your stuff. That's very, very important. Channel authority, we'll talk again in the next one.